Did the water like just come up to like the floor?
No, I think it was like that was far up.
Mm.
But it didn't come in the driver's side, which I'm really happy about because there's a lot more like electrical on that side.
Oh, it didn't.
No,
So
it just
that
came
didn't
on
really
the
get
passenger
wet.
side. So like you know how in like the middle of the car there's like the hump that runs along where the like the axle is, like in the middle axle.
No, yeah, no, but
Or like what do you call it? It's like yeah, like
yeah,
the connects like the car
right, yeah.
Right. But that car like between like the passenger seat between your.
Well, hello everyone. I thought it would be fun to embark on a little Stardew Valley journey together. We'll create a sleepy little farm. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Stardew Valley, I'm certainly not the first ASMR creator to do this type of video. One of the first ASMR videos I've ever seen was from the lovely Springbok ASMR. Those videos you can still find on YouTube.
The car's on fire,
Lovely
and there's no driver at the
Stardew
wheel.
Valley videos that you can watch. They're tours of her farm. They're fantastic.
And the sewers are all muddied with 1,000 lonely suicides.
And lots of other ASMR creators have done
And a
videos
dark
like that
wind
as well,
blows.
so this certainly isn't the first.
The government is corrupt. And we're on so many drugs with the radio on and the curtains drawn.
Yeah.
Better get the costume right.
We're trapped in the belly of the global machine.
Except for like the
What?
machine
No,
is
I'll
bleeding
be
to
myself.
What? Nothing? Oh.
No,
The sun has fallen down.
No, I think it's when
And
you
the
ask
billboards are all
people
leering.
who are naturally like
And the
more
flags are all dead
like Australian
at the top of
sensibility,
their poles.
like Canadian sensibility.
It went like this. The buildings toppled in on themselves. Mothers clutching babies picked through the rubble and pulled out their hair.
Talking about someone with a humiliation fetish, all right? The point is that they go out into public, all right? And then around other people, they defecate themselves, other people see them, and as a consequence of other people seeing them, they orgasm.